Hi friends, in this video today, let's see how to find smallest and biggest fractions. Let's go to the first one. Which of the following is the least fraction? 15 by 16, 19 by 20, 24 by 25 and 34 by 35. Here the given fractions are 15 by 16, 19 by 20, 24 by 25 and 34 by 35. If we do it by using the conventional method, you will need to divide this 15 with 16 and divide 19 with 20 and divide 24 with 25 and 34 with 35, and later you will compare the values. But it will take a lot of time, but that is completely waste of time. So by using a simple logic, we can easily find out which one is the least and which one is the largest. So to find the least or largest, first you see the numerator and denominator in all the fraction. Here, what is the difference between numerator and denominator? 1. Difference between 15 and 16 is 1. Here also, the difference between numerator 19 and denominator 20 is 1. Here also, the difference between these two is 1 and difference is 1. If the difference between numerator and denominator in all the fractions is same, then remember the fraction with the smallest numerator and smallest denominator will be the smallest fraction. So here the difference is same in all the fractions. Therefore, the fraction with the smallest numerator and smallest denominator. Here you observe all the numerator. Among all these numerator, 15 is the smallest. And among all the denominator, 16 is the smallest. Therefore, finally, 15 by 16 is the smallest and least fraction. Therefore, the answer is 15 by 16. If the difference between the numerator and denominator in all the cases is same, remember, then the fraction with the smallest numerator and smallest denominator will be the smallest fraction. So, the answer is 15 by 16. Now let's see another one. Which of the following is the largest fraction? 2 by 7, 1 by 3, 5 by 6 and 3 by 4. So the given fractions are 2 by 7, 1 by 3, 5 by 6 and 3 by 4. So here the difference between numerator and denominator is not same in all the cases. Here difference is 5, here difference is 2, here difference is 1 and difference is 1. Difference is not same. So we should go in another way. So first let's take these two fractions, 2 by 7 and 1 by 3. So 2 by 7 and 1 by 3. Now you simply do cross multiplication like this. So 3 2s are 6 and 7 1s are 7. So if you compare these two, this 7 is larger than 6. Therefore, 1 by 3 is larger than 2 by 7. So, 1 by 3 is larger than 2 by 7. So, you strike it out. Now, you compare these two. You compare these two. 5 by 6 and 3 by 4. So, now you cross multiply. 4 5s are 20 and 6 3s are 18. Here 20 is larger than 18. Therefore, 5 by 6 is larger than 3 by 4. So 5 by 6 is larger than 3 by 4. So you strike it out. Now finally we got two fractions, 1 by 3 and 5 by 6. So 1 by 3 and 5 by 6. Now you compare these two by cross multiplying. So if you do cross multiplication, 3 5s are 15, 6 1s are 16. So between these two, 15 is larger than 6. Therefore, 5 by 6 is larger than 1 by 3. So finally we can conclude that 5 by 6 is the largest fraction. 5 by 6 is the largest one. Now let's go to another one. Which of the following is the largest fraction? 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 8 by 11 and 11 by 17. Here the given fractions are 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 8 by 11 and 11 by 17. So just like in the previous example, first let's take these two fractions. So 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. Now you cross multiply these two. 5 2s are 10 and 3 3s are 9. So between these two, 10 is larger than 9. So 2 by 3 is the largest fraction. 2 by 3 is the largest fraction. So strike it out. 3 by 5. Now compare these two. 8 by 11 and 11 by 17. 8 by 11 and 11 by 17. If you cross multiply 8 into 17, 8 into 17 is 136 and 11 into 11 is 121. 136 is larger, therefore 8 by 11 is the larger fraction. So 8 by 11 is the larger fraction. So finally we got 2 by 3 and 8 by 11. Now compare these two again by cross multiplying. So 11 2s are 22, 3 8s are 24. Between these two, 24 is larger. Therefore, 8 by 11 is the largest fraction. So the answer is 8 by 11. Now let's go to another one. Which of the following is the least fraction? 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 11 by 15 and 7 by 8. Here the given fractions are 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 11 by 15 and 7 by 8. So just like in the previous two problems, first compare these two. 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. Now you do cross multiplication. 6 2s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Here we need least fraction. So what is the least one between these two? 12 is the least. So 2 by 3 is the least fraction. 2 by 3 is the least one. So strike it out. Now compare these two fractions. 11 by 15 and 7 by 8. Again you do cross multiplication. 8 11s are 88 and 15 7s are 105. So we want the least fraction. So 88 is the least one when comparing to 105. Therefore 11 by 15 is the least fraction. 11 by 15 is the least fraction. Now compare these two. 2 by 3 and 11 by 15. Again you do cross multiplication. 15 2s are 30 and 3 11s are 33. Between these two, 30 is the smaller one. So 2 by 3 is the smaller fraction. So finally 2 by 3 is the smallest least fraction. So friends, that's all for this video. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and share with your friends so that they can also learn. And if you have any doubts regarding this topic, please ask me in comment section. I will reply you. And to get many more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, Knox Way to Aptitude. Thank you.